Hello there. After creating a table, if you need to check the detailed information about the structure or the schema of the table, then for that we must use the describe table command of MySQL. So it goes like this: DESC, then write the name of the table, which is here student details. So DASC student underscore details, and just put one semicolon in the end and press enter. See, it shows the description of the entire table structure or the schema, which includes the fields. So see, the fields are the one we created, like student ID, name, age, date of birth, marks and percentage, along with its data types. Like the next field contains the types. After that it contains null, key, default and extra. So these fields show details such as null means whether the fields allow null values or not. So in this case, or for this table, all the fields actually accept null values. No keys are specified and no default values are there. So it's all null for this. That's it. You can also check the description of this table by writing okay. So describe student underscore details works in the same way. So both DESC and name of the table, or describe and name of the table, results in the same way. Now watch the next video to learn more about MySQL.